What is going on, guys? I am back with another video, and in this video what I want to start with is some fake news coming out of Forbes. And when I was looking for some news for this video, I came across this article: Bitcoin soars on falling yuan, North Korean crypto thieves. And I'm like, that's pretty interesting. I want to see more about it. I looked through the entire article. There's not one mention of North Korea or this entire story. It's literally fake news clickbait just to get you to click on the article. So coming out of Forbes, pretty mainstream news source that I thought was pretty reputable, but they're just pushing fake news clickbait to get you to click. So anyways, I thought that was interesting to share. So we got some real news now. Crypto pundit: altcoin sentiment will cause Bitcoin to collapse. I thought this article was interesting. They were kind of saying like, look, basically that the negative sentiment right now in altcoins is also going to eventually come over to Bitcoin. And if you guys know, Goldbug, Peter Schiff, is actually the one that is stating this. He's basically saying, look, altcoin demand drives the Bitcoin on-ramp. The weakest link the weakest link of a chain break first. So he's saying like the altcoins, if they're breaking down, then eventually once confidence in altcoins is lost, Bitcoin is next, which is totally BS. And it's kind of funny coming from Peter Schiff, because he says he's not into Bitcoin, but he holds Bitcoin. If he didn't believe in it, like, why is he holding on to it, right? He's hodling it, right? And he says he's doing it out of like, I guess, respect for the people that donated to him. He's like, oh, I'll hodl it out of respect, but then that means you believe in the asset. But anyways, just kind of odd prediction coming from Peter Schiff. I think we actually are going to have altcoin season as soon as Bitcoin approaches all-time highs, as in 20K, because people are going to be looking for cheaper alternatives. Now, I think at this point it is kind of a gamble. I would like wait until there's some sort of technical analysis that shows in the charts like, hey, this coin or that coin is going to have some, real traction, because I mean, hey, a lot of them, do drop off and are worth nothing. So it is kind of risky for altcoins at this point in time, but I think people are going to actually look into altcoins more as they see Bitcoin, as they FOMO into Bitcoin, and they're like, oh, let me see if there's something that could get a better return on my money investment wise. So I thought that was kind of interesting to talk about. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin price. So as we can see here, there was a bit of a drop down, so it's a little bit of a mini Bart Simpson pattern. And what are we at right now? 11,235. I mean, the 50-day, which we have in purple here, 50-day moving average is still over the 200-day moving average, which is in green here. So it's still bullish. This pattern right now there's nothing bullish really besides that, the 50-day over the 200-day in this pattern. To me, like, it's kind of hovering around some resistance right here, but really this is kind of, it could go up or down at this point. Not really looking like it's going to go on the upside. So I'd maybe, my opinion on this would be to kind of hold off for a bit and look for a better opportunity. Also, look at this volume, it's decreasing so much. So it's like almost struggling to hold on this level right here. So I think actually, if anything, we're more likely to drop lower unless something like some manipulation comes in. We could even see the trend line down here it's straight down. So signs are looking more like things are going to go down in price than up in price. Now, if we kind of look at the longer term trend line, it still is, like, I think sometime towards the end of August or early September, like, we're kind of forming this massive wedge. Like, if you look all the way back from June as the low to now, and then all-time, or not all-time highs, but back to the 14K we had back in June, it's kind of forming this larger, possibly bullish pendant flag or whatever. So that could be interesting kind of towards the end of the month, or maybe even into September, and we could have a big breakout there, possibly even up to like 20K. Anything's possible in this market. But yeah, otherwise I'm just, trying to look for better opportunities to buy low and sell high to increase my current Bitcoin holdings right now. And yeah, anyways, that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching. Bye.